Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Rusty Thompson with the Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're talking about irrigation rain sensors, and we're talking about some common problems we see with them here in Gainesville and throughout Florida, and things you can watch out for to make sure they function well. So two problems we commonly see with rain sensors are, number one, that they're not pointed straight up. So if you see the little piece that's protruding from the top, that's actually pointing out opposite of the gutter, it's pointing out away from the roof, that should be pointing up toward the sky. That's what allows the rain droplets to come in. And basically there's little wafers inside that are kind of foam-ish, and they when they fill up with water and get wet, they expand, and that makes the sensor disconnect and turn off your irrigation controller, because then it's basically functioning as acting as simulating the soil and saying that it's wet enough to not run, right? And then once it dries out from the evaporation, it then shrinks back down and then reconnects, and your irrigation timer will run. So the first thing is that needs to be pointed up. The second thing, as you can see above this from seeing where I am, I'm going to get directly under it. It's covered by rain, or covered by tree limbs. So that's not going to allow the rain to fall directly on it, even if it was angled at the right direction. So that's also going to block it from functioning correctly. Perfect example of making that work is we'd come over here, right on this gutter here, and if we look straight up at the sky, there'd be no trees blocking that, no leaves affecting the rainfall from going into the rain sensor. Once again, this is Rusty with Masters Lawn Care. I hope this is helpful for you. If we can be helpful with your irrigation system, give us a call here in Gainesville at 352-378-LAWN. Again, that's 352-378-5296. Or if we can help you with other videos, feel free to check them out. Hit subscribe, and we look forward to helping. Thanks.